Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.4 question number 3. Express as centimeter using decimals. A. 5 millimeter. First you have to know what is the relation between millimeter and centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Or you can say that 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That means to convert millimeter into centimeter, you have to divide that number by 10, right? Let us divide. Question number A is, question number A is 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. That means to divide that number by 10. That is 5 by 10 to convert it into centimeter. That is 0.5 centimeter. Right? Question number B. Question number B is 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. Therefore, we can write 60 by 10 centimeter. If we cut this 0 and 0, 0 and this 0, we are getting 6 centimeter. Right? Now, question number C is 164 millimeter. Question number C is 164 millimeter. That is equal to 164 by 10 centimeter, and that is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Now question number D. Question number D is 9 centimeter 8 millimeter 8 millimeter. That will be equal to, you can write this as 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeter. 9 centimeter. Therefore, you can write 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeter can be converted in centimeter by dividing by 10. 8 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to 9 centimeter 9 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter. If we add the numbers, that is 9.0 and 0.8. If we add the numbers, we are getting, this is 8, this is point, this is 9. We are getting 9.8 centimeter. We are getting 9. We are getting 9.8 centimeter. Right? Next, we will solve question number E. Question number E is, here you see, question number E is 93 millimeter. To convert into centimeter, divide this number by 10. That is 93 by 10. 93 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to 9.33 centimeter. This is the solution of question number 3, exercise 8.4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.